y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make DIY sugar wax with 3 common household ingredients. For this wax, you'll need sugar, lemon juice, and water. To get started, I placed a medium-sized pan over medium heat. I didn't want to make too much wax, so I added 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar. Then I added 1/16 cup of lemon juice. I did realize that the pan was a little bit too hot, so I did turn that down just a little bit. I then stirred in the lemon juice into the sugar. Then I proceeded to add 1/16 cup of water. If you'd like to make more wax, you can double or triple the ingredients and you will still get the same results. Once you've added all 3 ingredients, you will turn the burner on medium-high heat. Stir frequently and make sure that you don't burn the mixture. If you burn your mixture, it will completely solidify once it cools down. It took about 8 minutes for the mixture to become a nice golden brown color. The consistency should remind you of hot maple syrup. Remove the mixture from the heat and continue to stir for about 1 minute until it is no longer bubbling. Transfer the mixture into a bowl or jar and let it cool for 30 minutes. If it's still too hot after 30 minutes, let it cool down some more. After 30 minutes, my wax was absolutely perfect. I used a popsicle stick to apply the wax because I'm not too fond of anything sticky on my fingers. The best way to wax is to apply a little bit of baby powder to the area that you'll be waxing. If you have oily skin, the wax will adhere to your hair better once you add the powder. Apply the wax in the opposite direction of your hair growth and pull the wax off in the direction that your hair grows. I'm wiping her skin with a wet paper towel so that you guys can see how nice and smooth her skin is after the wax. I thought this video would be helpful to everyone out there who is missing their bi-weekly or monthly waxes. Most people have these 3 ingredients at home, so you don't have to leave your home to get nice and snatched. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!